Meet the IRONBULL DDP14 Deckover Dump Trailer, your game changer in hauling. With fold-down sides and a 96-inch wide deck, it handles everything you can throw at it. Popular with landscapers and construction crews alike. Its standard 18-inch sides hold up to 7.1 cubic yards of aggregate. The fold-down sides make pallet loading easy, and the slide end ramps help keep your equipment on the go. Finish the job every time with a powerful 520 scissor hydraulic hoist and versatile three-way gate. Built tough with a 10-inch I-beam frame, it's loaded with standard features to conquer any job. Versatile, durable, ready to work, all backed by the industry's best ironclad warranty. IRONBULL, where durability meets affordability.